Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to register the Coinbase app. First, download the Coinbase application from your mobile device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and tap the Get Started button. You'll then be prompted to enter your full legal name and a valid email address. Remember to create a strong, unique password of at least 8 characters, incorporating a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. After setting up your basic account details, the next crucial step is identity verification. You'll receive a confirmation email. Click the link inside to verify your email address. Next, provide your phone number, and Coinbase will send a 6-digit verification code via SMS. Enter this code into the app. Finally, you'll need to upload a clear photo of a government-issued identification document, such as a driver's license or passport, to complete the identity check. With your identity verified, it's time to link a payment method so you can start buying and selling cryptocurrency. Coinbase offers several options, including linking a bank account or a debit card. Select your preferred method and carefully follow the secure on-screen prompts to connect it. It's very important that the name on your chosen payment method exactly matches the name registered on your Coinbase account to avoid any delays or issues. To further protect your new account, enable two-factor authentication immediately. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring a second verification step for logins. Once everything is set up, take some time to explore the Coinbase app. Familiarize yourself with its features, learn about various cryptocurrencies, and consider setting up recurring buys. This strategy, known as dollar-cost averaging, can help you invest consistently over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.